Here's the app called Lock Launcher Screen Widget. So quite advanced customization app for screen widgets, all types of screen widgets. In here, you can add anything on the lock screen and launch it instantly with just one touch. It supports various apps, websites, shortcuts, and custom URL scheme. Quickly launch any app shortcut URL scheme from the control center, lock screen button, and action button. You can also customize the tinted icon beautification, making it both efficient and practical. Supports quick camera control for iPhone 16, allowing for fast one-tap access to any launch actions such as scan, payment code, and something like that. So yeah, dumb phone launcher theme, classic grid theme. So quite a lot of different things. So yeah, specifically, it's just this app is focused on a lock screen. And yeah, here you can just see that favorite launchers, battery percentage, shortcuts, and yeah, so let's just open it up. So yes, there is a new version. So for some of these features, you need to have iOS 18. So here is you have dynamic island and dock. So for example, here you can customize your dynamic island, and you can customize your dock. You can create launchpad just like this. So you can create efficient launchpad, and then yeah, you can upgrade. So just yearly, just $7 per year if you want to unlock all widgets and all groups, all actions, dynamic widgets, and all of the things. So here's, for example, I want to add action. So choose action. I can see like Apple apps, hot apps. For example, I want to open calculator. So I want to choose to open this. Icon, I can customize icon. I can add a specific name which I like, and then add to home icon. So this is how you can add this icon to the home screen. But then it just opens like that, so you can test it out. So that's how easily you can just add an icon. You can also add any website or music, any shortcut or custom things, URL scheme. So something like that, you have it here, and then you can just divide it into different sections. So all right, so this is some other button, and then there are widgets. So here now you have lock screen widgets which you can add. Then you have a dynamic island and activities, and picture in picture you can customize that. Home widget, you can set up to have it like a home widget. Shortcut, text widgets which you can add, and then 3D touch menu. As you can see, you can just add it and customize like this. So it's quite advanced app where you can just do all of these customizations, advanced settings. So here you can see all of the suggestions. So it's quite a powerful app focused on all of these new features with iOS. So for example, if I have a home widget like that, so let's try to install it, and launcher box new, launcher box like that, and then transparent placeholder, widget 1, widget 3, widget 4, widget 7, launcher box old. So you can create this like launcher box just like that, just adding it here, and then you will basically have access to apps in here. So you can just I want to add like Apple apps, or for example, I just want to add again just multiple apps. So you can add like 9 apps like that, which is quite cool. And yeah, so just and then it just changes like that. And then when I tap on it, as you can see, I open the clock app or weather app. So I can have like smaller icons of the apps. I can have like the whole screen of that. I can have like 9 apps, and they will not populate my screen. So this is one of the use cases. And of course, then you can just have like a transparent background. I guess you can customize all of this. You can customize padding, which is the distance between icons. So yeah, quite cool. And then this way you are saving some precious space on your home screen. So this is, yeah. And Lock Launcher app is one of the most kind of advanced into this new settings, because other apps like Themify, Themepack, whatever, they just provide you with icons, with some home widgets and wallpapers. That's it, or some themes. In this app, you can customize all these dynamic islands, lock widgets, and all of things like that, and all of these small details. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then again, you can just customize all these lock screen widgets just like that. So yeah, there you have it.